Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how your crypto wallet on your phone can instantly show your balance without downloading the entire massive blockchain? It feels like magic, right? Well, today we are pulling back the curtain on this magic and diving into the fascinating world of blockchain nodes. We'll be breaking down two key players, light clients and full nodes. Understanding the difference is crucial for anyone serious about navigating the crypto space securely and efficiently. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's unravel this tech mystery together. First up, let's talk about the heavyweights, full nodes. Imagine you wanted to verify every single transaction that has ever happened on a blockchain like Bitcoin or Ethereum. To do that, you need a complete, unabridged history book of the entire network. That's essentially what a full node is. It downloads, stores, and validates the entire blockchain, block by block, transaction by transaction. Think of it as being the ultimate blockchain librarian, holding a copy of every book ever written in that library. Why would anyone do this? Well, running a full node is the gold standard for security and trustlessness. Because you have the entire history, you don't need to trust anyone else to tell you what's true. You can verify everything yourself. Is this transaction valid? Does this address really have this much crypto? A full node can answer these questions with absolute certainty by checking the entire ledger. This makes the network incredibly robust and decentralized. The more full nodes there are, the harder it is for anyone to attack or manipulate the blockchain. They are the bedrock of the network's security. But as you might guess, being the ultimate librarian comes with a cost. Running a full node requires significant resources. We're talking about hundreds of gigabytes, sometimes even terabytes of storage space, and it's constantly growing. You also need a stable, high-speed internet connection to keep up with all the new blocks and transactions being broadcasted across the network. Plus, your computer needs to be powerful enough to handle the constant work of validating everything. It's a serious commitment and is typically undertaken by developers, businesses, and serious enthusiasts who want to contribute to the network's health and security. It is not exactly practical for your everyday user who just wants to check their balance on the go. And that's where our second player, the light client, comes onto the stage. Light clients are the nimble, resource-friendly solution designed for the rest of us. Think of them not as the librarian with the entire library, but as a clever researcher who knows how to ask the librarian for just the specific information they need. Instead of downloading the entire blockchain, a light client downloads only the block headers. These headers are like the chapter titles or the index of our history book. They are tiny pieces of data that contain a summary of the information within each block, but not the full transaction details. So, how does this work in practice? When you use a crypto wallet on your phone, which is a type of light client, it connects to a full node. It then requests only the information relevant to your specific wallet address. The full node does the heavy lifting, scans the blockchain, and sends back the proof you need. The light client then uses the block headers it has downloaded to verify that the information it received from the full node is legitimate and part of the main chain. It's a clever system that balances security with efficiency. It's not as trustless as a full node because you are trusting a full node to provide you with the correct data, but it's secure enough for most daily activities. To sum it all up, full nodes are the guardians of the blockchain. They download everything, verify everything, and provide the highest level of security and decentralization, but they require a lot of resources. Light clients, on the other hand, are the nimble messengers. They are perfect for everyday use on devices like smartphones and laptops because they use minimal resources. They cleverly use block headers and connect to full nodes to verify your specific transactions without needing the entire blockchain history. One is about maximum security and contribution. The other is about convenience and accessibility. Both play a vital role in making the blockchain ecosystem work for everyone. So, the next time you check your crypto balance on your phone in seconds, you'll know it's not magic, but the elegant teamwork between light clients and full nodes working behind the scenes. It's this kind of innovation that makes blockchain technology so powerful and accessible. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.